Well, hi, and welcome to my shop. And I'm hoping you can help me with what I'm seeing here. Now, I'm going to show you the schematic for the antenna and the tuning capacitor. And I got this schematic. It was glued right to the bottom of the chassis. You can get it off the internet. It's actually a photograph of an actual piece of paper. That's what I'm going to be showing you. So, well, let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, so this area down here. I'm sorry things are a little bit out of focus, but I think it'll still work okay. This is the 12BE6. So this tube mixes the oscillator frequency with the incoming signals from the antenna. So, this is the antenna. Oh, cheapers. Aha, okay. Very good, okay, here we go. This is the antenna coil here. And this is the oscillator coil. And their signals go in the tube, get mixed, and head up into the rest of the radio. It's a really simple circuit here. The antenna coil, tuning capacitor, trimmer capacitor. It's really simple. Look, they're connected right across each other. The bottom one is grounded. That's all that does. The top, straight into the 12BE6. Straight into the 12BE6. Everybody repeat that one more time. There must be a wire that goes straight to the 12BE6 from the antenna. Okay, maybe this, you know what, if I'm making a mistake in how I'm interpreting this, maybe I'm going to figure it out as I try hard to explain it. Okay, so there's the antenna. There's one wire. The wire comes over to this terminal, connects to this part of the capacitor. The other wire should be connecting to ground. But that's not what it does. It heads down through this opening here. Down through the opening. By the way, this radio is not plugged in or anything, so comes out. It's right here. Hard to see because it's black. I don't think there's much I can do about that quickly. Yeah, there's nothing I can do. You just have to trust me. Black. And it comes along, and it comes over to a terminal here. You know what? You don't have to trust me. I don't have to trust me either. Let's take a closer look here. Okay. Now there's the black wire coming through the hole. It's right over here. And under that capacitor there. It connects to that terminal. Oh, look. Which connects to ground. Way down under there. Huh. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. I'm reading that wrong. Let's take another look at that. Yeah, I'm really having a hard time seeing that black wire. Okay, hold on. Hold on a second. Well, okay, the black wire, I can now clearly see where it's going. It's going to this terminal. It's definitely not ground, okay? That's what we would hear if it was ground. So, So I showed the schematic. One side going to ground. One side going to ground. The other side going straight to the grid of the 12 BE6, but that's not what's happening here. That black wire is connected to this IF can. There's a capacitor to ground, taking that to ground, but it's not connected directly. Connected to IF can. And I noticed earlier, because I had spent a little bit of time off camera looking at this radio, that in fact some very interesting information is written on the IF cans. I usually think they're just serial numbers, but they're actually labeling the can against the schematic. So this says IF 1071, so 10.7. A appears on the schematic. This one says IF 455. Excuse me. A, that also appears on the schematic. This one says IFBB, and that appears on the schematic. So, and this one here says 10.7, and down below it says D. 10 points. All that appears on the schematic, so fantastic. Now I should be able to relate it all correctly. So this black antenna wire, which I think should be going to straight to ground, going to this terminal on this can, which is 455. And there's also a resistor. 2.2 megohms, I think it was. So that's on, oh, I gotta hunt it down now on the schematic here. So that's on A. I just have to find the coil A. Here we are. A, here it is. Right. I don't know if I can get this to show without a bunch of glare. But there's A, 455A. They connected it there. It's connected there. completely bypassing the 12BE6. What's the sense of that? Okay, another possibility. The schematic has nothing to do with the radio. Fat chance on that, I would think. So what is connected to the 12BE6? 12BE6. What is connected to it? I just want to count which grid it is. It's grid number 1, 2, 3. It's grid number 3. Looks like grid 3, that's for sure. Let's take a look. 12BE6. 12. There it is. Miniature type uses converter, AC/DC, blah blah blah. So the third grid is pin number 7. Pin number 7. Okay, so we'll look now in the radio and see what pin number 7 is connected to. It's crazy stuff I'm doing here. And pin number 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 7-pin tube, so pin number 7. Oh, it's connected to this yellow wire. The yellow wire goes up. Comes up through there. And it connects to the insulated fixed plates. Insulated fixed plates. That's an interesting way of looking at it. Insulated fixed plates. Well, you learn something new every day. So this particular capacitor has your choice of terminals. You can use these upper terminals, and there's another set down below. Same terminal. Okay, so so it's this terminal that's heading into the radio. The other terminal antenna should be grounded, shouldn't it? What am I thinking? What am I missing? What am I missing? So this yellow wire connects to the terminal, which connects to the grid of the 12BE6. The other side of it should be this black wire. Help me if you can. Okay. having a heck of a time with this. This is that black wire. There's no question about it. And it does go to a terminal, it's not grounded. That terminal also connects to this 22K. We never found that resistor on the schematic. 22K. 22K. Yes. Oh. That's not Draper. That's Spunky. He's not likely to jump up here because that's not his idea. He wants me to leave with him and give him some food. What's going on? What's going on? Okay, well, I think you just flew off into my hands there. Here, Spunky. Come on. There you are. There he is. There's cat number 2 there. Spunky. Hey. Yeah, okay, enough of that. Now, that complete break, good luck I'm ever going to remember what I was doing here. A major distraction. Oh, here he comes again. Well, if he won't let up, I'll have to go and do something to him. So 22K, it's not 22K, it was 22, or 2.2 megohms is what it was. 22K, there it is, 2.2 megohms. I know you can't see it too clearly, but so that would be the terminal. So that's where the antenna is connected. What the heck's it doing there? That's even on the other side of this IF. Okay, so, you know, it's been a long, drag-out video here, but what I'm suggesting here is this radio is wired wrong. This black wire was supposed to go to this big ground, and it got soldered onto here by accident, resulting in a radio that's just never going to work the way it is. Okay, so I've stated my case, and maybe it's just another indication that there's something here I don't know. Maybe I should know. But what it looks like right now is the thing is wired wrong. So thanks for watching this one. It just keeps getting stranger. In fact, everything I've been working on lately has just been a strange journey. So, and you know, I have that car radio. I got to get back to that car radio. That's another strange one too. So, anyway, your comments about what I've poked around and found here would be are most welcome. Thanks a lot.